Hey everyone, how's it going? This is Chev. Welcome to the channel and the 5th episode of the Subaru Rebuild series. So we are 5 episodes in and it seems like we're right back at square one with a new EJ20 here. And I'm not going to bore you guys with another tedious teardown video. If you want to see me tear down an EJ20, just go back to episode 2 and I have a very in-depth look at that. So yeah, we're just gonna speed run this and make it happen. So yeah, let's give it a shot. There we go, all cleaned up. Let's go ahead and take a closer look. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look at the engine block. So this is after multiple rounds of degreasing, wire brushing, and a couple cans of brake cleaner. And it's looking pretty good. Any dirt you see left on the surface is pretty much purely cosmetic, and we can work on that stuff later. So let's keep this project moving along. Next we're going to be moving on to the timing belt. Okay, so before we get to the timing belt, I just want to show you this idea I came up with. So as far as I know, this has never been done before, so you're seeing it first on the Mod and Tune channel. So what I came up with is these 3D printed mounts for my impact wrenches. So I just designed these and 3D printed them, and what they do is they just clip on here, and that's going to give us a first-person view of the what we're doing. So yeah, if you guys think this is a cool idea, let me know in the comments. If you think it's gimmicky, let me know in the comments. And yeah, let's give it a shot. Alright, so we're going live with the Milwaukee Impact Cam. Let's give this a shot. There we go. Alright, we're going in with the 1/4 inch impact. Let me just take this off. Alright. There we go, guys. If you think that was cool, let me know. I thought it was pretty cool, so yeah. Okay, so I have the timing belt removed, and next up I'm going to be taking off the heads. I'm going to do that off camera though. If you want to see me remove the heads off at EJ20, just go back to episode 2 and I have a very in-depth look at that. But I am going to show you the results. Alright, so I got the heads off without any problems, no broken head studs, and the heads still appear to be in good shape. So next step is I'm going to send these off to the machine shop so they can resurface them. Before I can do that, I have to remove the camshafts and all the buckets and everything so that it can fit into their machine. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. Okay, so that wasn't too bad. We got the camshafts out. I got all the buckets out. And I got to make sure I don't mix those up because they have to make it back in the same hole. And tomorrow I'll be bringing these over to the machine shop so they can get resurfaced. And yeah, that's pretty much going to wrap up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know this engine stuff can get kind of boring sometimes. I'm personally not even like a big engine builder guy. But this is all part of the process, and this is a big component to what makes the car what it is. So, yeah, anyways, if you can, give it a like. That would be awesome, and I will catch you guys later.